heard this noise before. You dive across the floor. Try not to